Everything is gonna be okay. Hi there, kumusta ka? To those who are hurting, waiting, and feeling like hope is slipping away, this is for you. I know that life can be heavy and overwhelming. Minsan parang wala ng liwanag sa dulo ng daan, and we can't even find any hope in our situation. But today, I'd like to encourage you and remind you that God sees your pain, your tears, and He hears your silent prayers. Hindi ka nakakalimutan ng Diyos. God's promise is that the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saved those who are crushed in spirit. Most of the time, we are so focused on what we want and we're taking for granted what we still have. We are so focused on the pain, we are so focused on the people who hurted us na nakakalimutan na nating maging masaya. But today, please do yourself a favor. Be happy again. Choose to be happy again in the presence of the Lord. Wala pa man lahat ng sagot sa mga panalangin mo ngayon, naniniwala ako, your breakthrough is coming. Healing is on the way. Kapit lang tayo, dasal pa tayo, even when it feels like nothing is happening. God is working behind the scenes, preparing the way and preparing you. Everything is gonna be okay. May ginagawang kamangha-manghang bagay ang Diyos sa sitwasyon mo ngayon.